You are not an option. You are not a side piece. This person is not giving you any benefits whatsoever for you to stay in this connection. They're expecting you to chase them when they gaslit you and love bombed you in the first place, but they're not expecting you to reject them. I feel like you've had enough. I feel like you've reached your limit. This person really chased you in the beginning, and they had a lot of attraction towards you. We're getting fire sign energy here. We're getting water energy as well. So Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, and also Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. This person, you know, really come through and really pushed you and made you know that they liked you. But the longer you kind of connected with them, the more they pushed you away, and they treat you quite shabbily actually, and they are not expecting you to go, see ya, okay, bye. I literally really genuinely honestly believe that there isn't really any fault in their behavior, and that they don't owe you anything, and they can behave however they want, and you're gonna stand there and take it. You're not gonna do anything about it. You're just gonna keep doing exactly what you've been doing, because what you've done, hun, is you fed them. You have made them feel good about themselves, and when they first met you, they didn't feel good about themselves. Damn, they're even looking better than when they first met you. They look better, they smell better, they behave better, they're sleeping better. Are you? Right? So they're taking all this energy from you, and you're giving your energy to them. What are you getting in return? And they genuinely feel like that's it. You'll just take it because you have done. And I feel like you've even like tried to have a conversation with them, and they have just literally just completely ignored you. Like it's nothing. Like it's okay to be like that. But then they're not like that when they're talking to other women. Right now, you are not in communication. This person thinks that this will pass and that they can come back in and there will be literally no change in you. But they're showing up. This Seven of Swords energy is all over your connection. So this is betrayal, deceit. This is somebody doing you wrong. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. But this is also talking about moving on from this energy. You have been in this person's auric energy field for a long time now. And you have to understand, they have slowly chipped away at you. Chip. They slowly chipped away at you. And it is literally time for you to take a step back. And I feel that you know that as well. Like it's time for you to take a step back, because they are coming back to you. They are coming forward. But you're repeating this cycle of the attraction of somebody who kind of is emotionally unavailable. And even if they aren't when they give it to you, it's about the other 90% of the time when you should just be having safe, normal interactions. They are incapable of doing that with you. So this is a very toxic cycle. You need to get out while you can. Because this person, no good. Focus on your money.